In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import historical data in MetaTrader. First, you're going to need to open MetaTrader 5 on your computer. This is your trading platform where you'll be conducting all the necessary steps to seamlessly import historical data, which can be crucial for backtesting strategies or analyzing past market trends. Once MetaTrader is open, head over to the menu bar and look for the View option. Click on it and then select Symbols from the drop-down. Doing this will open a new window, giving you access to all available trading instruments. This is where you'll manage the symbols for which you'd like to import data. If you're planning to import data for a new instrument, you'll need to select an existing symbol first. Why? Because you'll be using this as a template for creating a custom one. With the existing symbol selected, look for the option to Create Custom Symbol. Click on it to copy its specifications. This helps ensure that the new symbol matches existing parameters, maintaining consistency in data handling. Don't forget to give your custom symbol a unique name to avoid any confusion with other instruments. Once you've done that, click OK to save your new custom symbol. Next, you need to choose either the custom symbol you just created or an existing symbol you're interested in. Navigate to the Bars tab within the symbol settings. This tab is essential because it's where you manage time-based data that will be imported. At the bottom of this tab, you will see the Import Bars button. Go ahead and click on it to proceed with importing the data. Now, a new window will appear, prompting you to select your data file. Click on Browse to locate the historical data file on your computer. Then select it and click Open to prepare it for the import process. This allows MetaTrader to access the data that is to be incorporated into the platform. But hold on for a second. Before you finalize the import, pay attention to the shift value. This setting is vital as it allows you to adjust the data to reflect your broker's time zone. Set the shift value appropriately to ensure that the data aligns correctly with market activity in your area. Once everything appears correctly set, click OK to begin loading the data into MetaTrader. After the process is complete, it's highly recommended to restart the platform. Doing so refreshes the system and integrates the newly imported data, ensuring it's ready for you to analyze or use for backtesting. And there you have it, a complete guide to importing historical data into MetaTrader, setting you up for more informed trading decisions. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy trading.